अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. The name of our first lesson is Laws of Motion. Newton studied motion of an object and gave a set of three equations of motion. These three equations of motion relate the displacement, velocity, acceleration and time of an object moving along a straight line. Look at the diagram at page number 8, figure 1.9, velocity time graph. Observe the diagram. Let us suppose that an object is in uniform acceleration small a and it has covered the distance s within time small t. From the graph, the distance covered by the object during time t is given by, look at the diagram, is given by the quadrilateral DOEB. Let the initially object is at position t and after time t it covers some distance and the position of the object is, final position of the object is at point B. U is the initial velocity, V is the final velocity. Let S is the displacement of the object. Then this distance covered by the object is given by area of quadrilateral DOEB. DOEB. But this diagram DOEB is a combination of two diagrams. This is a rectangle and this is a triangle. Let us suppose this is our first diagram and this is our second diagram. Then in that case S is equal to area of rectangle DOEA plus area of the triangle DAB. Now if this first diagram DOEA is a rectangle, then area of this rectangle DOEA is length into breadth. Here in this diagram, length of this rectangle is OE multiplied by breadth, that is AE plus area of the triangle. Which triangle? DAB. We all know that formula for area of the triangle is 1 upon 2 into base into height. Base of this triangle is DA, side DA, and its height is AB. 1 upon 2 DA multiplied by AB. Look at the diagram. This OD is U. It is a rectangle, therefore AE is also equal to U. AE is equal to U. OE is equal to small t. This OE is equal to small t. AD is also equal to small t. AB is equal to this AB. CD is equal to V minus U. This V minus U. Now we know that the formula for acceleration is V minus U upon T. From this AT is equal to V minus U, and it is equal to AB is equal to CD. Now substituting all these values in this equation, S is equal to OE small t multiplied by AE small u plus half into AD small t multiplied by AB. This AB is equal to 80. S is equal to UT plus half A T multiplied by T square. UT plus half AT square. And this is the second equation of motion given by Newton. Newton's second equation of motion is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. This equation describes the relation between displacement and time. Here displacement is denoted by small s and time is denoted by t. This is Newton's second equation of motion. Copy this equation of motion with diagram in your notebook. This is the homework for today. Thank you.